Welcome, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that it is going to be of some help to you. If you suffer from a yeast infection, you are certainly not alone. In fact, 2.3 billion women throughout the world suffer from a yeast infection at least once in their lifetime. Every woman, regardless of age or background, can be affected. And it does affect men too. From a female point of view, it is very important to remember that a vaginal yeast infection is not down to poor hygiene. If anything, it can be the opposite, and is certainly not something to be ashamed of. When we are healthy, Candida yeast is kept in check with a normal balance of intestinal flora. But hormonal changes, high acid levels, stress, and long-term antibiotic or steroid use can disrupt the balance and cause an overgrowth, which then becomes an infection. There are a host of symptoms that can give an indication of a yeast infection. The more common ones include abdominal pain and bloating, genital itching, vaginal or penile discharge, a sense of burning when urinating, painful intercourse, mouth ulcers, low energy, the urgent need to urinate, digestion problems, and nervous anxiety. Now, if you suspect that you may have a yeast infection, try this simple test which, whilst not conclusive, will give some indication that a yeast infection may be present. First thing in the morning, try to produce some saliva and then eject the saliva from the mouth into a tumbler of clean water. After about 30 minutes, check the tumbler, and if there are strings dropping from the saliva towards the bottom of the glass, or if the water has turned speckled or cloudy, then there is a fair chance that you may have developed a yeast infection. Now, one big problem with this type of infection is that medical people, television and magazines will have us believe that drugs are the only way to alleviate the problem. But a successful homeopathic remedy has now been developed. Yeastrol is a homeopathic product that works like nothing else on the market today. Experts in homeopathic treatments have combined 12 ingredients to fight not just the itching, but multiple symptoms of yeast infection from the inside out. Now, Yeastrol is not a messy cream or an ointment, but it's a spray, and you just spray it under your tongue 3 times a day. Yeastrol gets into the system quickly, and the ingredients of which have been selected for their time-tested ability to attack a variety of symptoms that plague both men and women who suffer from a yeast infection. The micro-dosed homeopathic medicine in Yeastrol are safe and have no known side effects, and they can be taken safely with other conventional medicines with no drowsiness or adverse effects. Yeastrol can be obtained privately from a website, so there is no need for any more embarrassing visits to your pharmacy. If you'd like to find out more about yeast infections or Yeastrol, then go to www.safehelpnaturally.com, where you can even get free bottles of Yeastrol. Thank you for watching and listening to this video, and I do hope that it has been of some help to you. Thank you.